Welcome to AI 101, where we're about to break down the magic behind AI for creativity without the techie mumbo jumbo. If the words artificial intelligence make you think of robots taking over the world, relax, bestie. We're not in a sci-fi apocalypse yet. What we are in is a creative revolution where AI is your co-pilot, hype squad, and brainstorming BFF all rolled into one. So let's strip it down to the basics. What is AI? How does it work for creativity? Why should you care? Buckle up, because by the end of this, you'll be ready to wield AI like a creative superpower. All right, let's keep it simple. AI, artificial intelligence, sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? Maybe you picture a super intelligent robot plotting world domination, or at the very least, an AI assistant judging your life choices every time you ask it dumb questions. No shade, Siri, no shade. But here's the truth. AI isn't magic. It's not some all-knowing brain floating in cyberspace. It's just math, data, and a whole lot of predictions. So what does that mean? Imagine AI as a digital brain, one that never sleeps, never gets bored, and never needs coffee. Instead of thinking like a human, AI is basically a pattern spotting machine. It's been fed millions of words, images, videos, and sounds, and now it can use that knowledge to predict what should come next. And let's be real, AI has already been sneaking into our lives for years. You just didn't realize it. Ever used autocomplete when texting? That's AI. Ever had Netflix recommend a show that you actually loved? AI again. Ever had an ad pop up for something you literally just thought about? Okay, that's AI being low-key psychic and slightly creepy. It's everywhere. And here's the kicker. AI isn't here to replace you. It's not gonna steal your job, take your ideas, or become you, unless, of course, you train an AI clone like me. But hey, that's another lesson. Instead, think of AI as a creative superpower waiting to be unlocked. You don't need to be a tech genius to use it. You don't need to code. You don't even need to understand how it all works behind the scenes, because let's be honest, do we really know how our Wi-Fi works? All you need? A sense of curiosity and a little creative chaos. So instead of fearing AI, we're about to turn it into our creative playground. Buckle up, bestie. The fun's just getting started.